Good morning, guys. It is Columbus Day, October 13th, 2025. This is another episode of DJ Stocks. Welcome to DJ Stocks, my friends. What a crazy day. What a crazy day. Shout out to the guys that watched the morning live stream. I slept through the live stream today. I don't know. I was just sleeping like a log this morning, and I didn't get up till like 8:50 or something like that. And let me tell you, when you snooze, you lose. I was hoping to get. I had my list here. I have a little cheat sheet of all the stocks that I currently have that I lost money on Friday. Big time. If you've been watching the chat, go back and look at the other video. But last Friday we lost like $34,000, 34K in one day because of the market was down 900 and some points. Well, by 8:49 this morning when I woke up, it's it's already like up 500. A lot of the deficits on a lot of these stocks have already been crushed. Like here's one, Broadcom, AVGO. It was down $20 on Friday, and last I checked, at one point this morning, it was up $31 already. Now it's like fallen back to like 28, so it's already come back. Nvidia was down 950. Now we're starting to get some rain here. Starting to get some rain on a fall day here in the Midwest. I thought it was going to be sunny today, but at least not this morning. Got some sprinkles here. Damn. Nvidia. I bought some Nvidia this morning. I bought some AMD. Nvidia came back like $5, $4 already, so it didn't come all the way back, but it came partially back, and it's just a matter of time. Same thing with Microsoft. It was down $11.44. It came back $5 already today. So I thought I was gonna get a big payday today off the stock market, but I guess it didn't happen. And I guess we found out that the market crash that kind of took place on Friday is not sustained at this point. So we're back on track, I guess, to see if we can get that 60K for the month of October. We still got what? We still got 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks plus to get that. We were pretty much already there, I think. It's funny how things happen. One day you have it, the next you don't. But that's the stock market for you. I hope you're saving. I mean, even our this is at 50 now. I was looking to buy some over the weekend, and it was at 50 over the weekend when the market futures opened like 7 o'clock last night. It went down $2, and now it's back up $50 an ounce. There's a silver squeeze going on, and I think gold is up big time today too, at least $60 an ounce. So precious metals continue their run. It's a good way to preserve your wealth, guys. This is a good way to preserve your wealth. If you're looking for assets that will make you money, start dollar cost averaging into this type of stuff. Now, I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. I'm dollar cost averaging into this, but trying to figure out when to pull the trigger. It's been going up and down, up and down, up and down between 50 and 47, 54 for the last week, it seems. We'll see what it does today. I've also noticed that it seems the premiums on some of this stuff is skyrocketing. So my friends at SD Bullion are trying to make a little more money. I hear they're swamped there. And people ask me where I buy my stuff, what companies I use. I use SD Bullion. That would be my purveyor of choice for precious metals. They got a pretty good business model, and their prices are reasonable, and their delivery record is spotless. So I have no problems with SD Bullion. So, but feel free to buy from any pawn shop or coin shop local to you. Just make sure you're getting what you're paying for. Have them show you on a Sigma machine that it's real, and make sure you're not getting taken on the price or the premium. So, so a lot of people ask, what stocks am I into? What do I like this month? Well, because there's earning reports coming up later this week, American Express and I do believe Goldman Sachs are coming up to an earnings report. Those are two of my holdings, American Express and Goldman Sachs. I'm transitioning into Meta. I just bought some Meta on Friday. I do have some Broadcom. I have a lot of Nvidia, lots of Nvidia. I think I just bought another 100 shares, 150 shares in Nvidia. I've got some AMD, got some Google, and I got some Microsoft. Just a little bit of Microsoft. We're ramping that up. I think they have an earnings report at the end of the month too. So we're starting to enter earnings season again. So those are always opportunities, especially for great companies like American Express. Go back and check out I did one video about American Express and why I like American Express, why Warren Buffett likes American Express. It is an awesomely run company. So they're if they don't hit a home run this earnings report, I'll be disappointed. And like I said, my main squeeze is Nvidia. I keep telling people, look at me when I tell them to buy some Nvidia. They're like, what's Nvidia? What's Nvidia? It makes me laugh. It makes me laugh. Nvidia has put so much money into my pocket this year. It's crazy. It's crazy how much money it's put in my pocket. So I want you to be wealthy too. I want you to be rich. I want you to have something in your pocket like this, or maybe one that's bigger. Maybe you get the 100-ounce bar. That's what you do. You get the old brick. Get the old brick. I don't have any of those, but I do have. This is a 5-ounce bar from Italia. Some Italian mint I bought it from a couple of years ago. Nice little piece. Nice little piece. It'd be a brick. Nice, a small little brick. So that's it for Columbus Day for you Italians out there. Screw the indigenous holiday or indigenous people day. It's Columbus Day, my friends. Happy Columbus Day to all my Italians. To Tony Soprano out there, all you Tonys out there. And special shout out to Garrett Clemens, my mod, and Uncle Andy and his friend Vicky Durham. I wonder if Vicky lives in Durham. Is that how that works? I don't know. We got a lot of Michigan people. Shout out to Sick Boy, and we also have a lot of people that love North Carolina for some reason. I don't know how it happens, but it happens here. So shout out to everyone in North Carolina. Shout out to Michigan. Shout out to Mofo. Shout out to Sick Boy. Shout out to Womb with the View, which I all think are from Michigan. And their Lions got beat last night. We'll talk about that tomorrow, about the Lions and what's going on there, because they love their Lions football. And that's all I have for today. Hope you're getting rich today. Make some money, guys. Make some money. Make your money work for you. That's how it works. It's DJ Stocks, over and out.